I had lima beans left over in the pantry, dried lima beans, and I'm going to plant some and see if they'll take off. Took some out of the bag. I think I got like 15 or 16 beans. I'm going to put in these two old barrels. These are my old potato barrels. I moved them a couple days ago and put some fresh compost in there and a little bit of fertilizer, and it's rained, and I watered them. It's rained since then, so see if we can grow some lima beans. Put them about a ½ inch deep. You go about 4-inch spacing on them. I'm making a little bit more than 4 inches, but they should be fine there. It's over here now. And I'll drench these off on top again with a little bit of compost out of the compost pile. It's probably a little bit late for these, but we'll see how they do, if they do anything at all. Okay, there's no manure in this. This is just compost out of the kitchen and garden waste. So it's got a little bit of everything in there. It's got rotted vegetation, old leaves, eggshells, and whatever else comes out of the kitchen. Eggshells, it takes a long time for them to break down. They do give calcium, but it takes a really long time for it to leach out into the soil. So I use gypsum, which is just calcium. Bought a 50-pound bag of it and then used it on everything. Works good, especially on tomatoes with the blossom end rot. Helps them grow. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing stuff, but it sure does work good. Yeah, there's your peanut shells in there. They tend to take a lot longer to break down. But they do help loosen up the soil some. Alright, that's good. You can grab a hose and water these in. See how they grow. Alright, that should be it for the beans. We'll give them about 10 days and see what happens. A couple of them are already sprouted, so they should at least, a couple of them, 3 or 4 should come up. If not the rest of them. We'll see how they do. It's a little bit late to be planting lima beans, but it's weird that it's just now getting to be warm days in the 80s, still in the 50s at night, so having problems with a few things not wanting to germinate right and grow. It should be hot enough now during the day on the other side over there where I'm doing another batch of field peas, because the other ones, just very few of them germinated. So we'll see how they do over there, just on the other side of the container. I'll clean that out probably tonight or tomorrow, probably tonight. I tilled it this morning and let it sit for a little bit, then I'll go rake the weeds out of it and probably till it again and throw some field peas in there, doing about the same thing, 3 or 4 inch spacing, and then cover them up with about a ½ inch of dirt, soil. So that's it for our peas. I appreciate anybody watching there. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Have a good day.